Hi, my name is Henry, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a few hundreds to a few thousands trading cryptocurrencies and also investing in the market. Now, this strategy does not mean that I have to stare at my chart every single second of the day. All I need to do is put my alert and wait for price to come to my point of interest. And once I see a shift in market structure, I look for an inefficiency and then I put my buy limit order or my sell limit order and then go about my day. So right here, this is a crypto coin DSLA protocol, and I already did my analysis, which I'm gonna explain more in depth in my course. So now the main thing to focus on right here is the structure of the market, right? The structure of the market is basically just like the stairs. Now, if you go in front of the stairs, if the stairs is showing you up and down, you know the stairs is leading you downstairs. That is how structure works. So if you're looking at the structure right here, you can see that the structure right here has been bearish, consistently creating this lower highs and lower lows, and then a lower high. Now you can see that even though we've been creating a lower high and lower low, price came to this downside right here, and we created a low, and then we created a high, and then we created a low right here, and then eventually price created a higher high, breaking structure above this high. The moment this high got broken, all I'm looking for is for price to do a retest, coming to this key level between the range high and range low. I want to see an inefficiency right here on the 4-hour time frame, and we'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the range high, the range low, and this was the break of structure. Right here, we have an inefficiency. This inefficiency is going to be my entry, and then I'm going to be anticipating for price to come into this key level, accumulate, and then if price should for any reason run below this low, then it means that my analysis on this trade was not correct. But as long as it's correct, I want this low to be sustained and I don't want price to go below it. And now you can see how this plays out. So we'll go back to the daily, and then on the daily time frame, we're going to see how price moves afterwards. So I'm going to be targeting for these highs to potentially get swept. So right here is the trade. So this is basically a 1:12 risk to reward ratio. So if I was risking $100 on this, I will be anticipating to make 1,200. So we're gonna play this and see how it works out. And right here, you can see very nicely. So if you were holding this, you would have made 12 times whatever you risked on it. And it's really very simple strategy, even though price is still going to the upside, which means that, look at this. If you had held, you would have made 1:30x on this trade, on this investment. So it's a very easy strategy that someone who's working a 9 to 5, or you have school, or you've got a family, you've got kids. It's something you can basically spend about 5-10 minutes, do your analysis, and put your alerts and move about your day. You don't need to be on the chart every single second trying to look at what price is going to do. So if you find this insightful and you want to learn more, you can click the link below and you then get my course, and you're going to see the full breakdown of how to do fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and also the quantitative analysis on crypto trading. Thank you, and I'll see you on the other side.